Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the No Rules Portfolio Update. This is a portfolio where there are no rules. I can invest in whatever I want, sell whatever I want, etc., at any time. And as you know, I invested in PG&E in this one, the bankrupt company. Tuesday, they're facing the court again, and we'll see what happens there. I know a lot of people in the comments on Yahoo Finance and a couple other places were mentioning that they were trying to sell their stocks and were unable to because nobody was buying. I don't know how true that is. The volume was still pretty decent, although extremely low for what it normally would be if it wasn't going bankrupt. But anyways, I know a lot of people are trying to unload this. I know hedge funds are buying it and stocking up on it, and that's what's keeping the price up. It's currently at like $15 and something. Yeah, $15.48. So I believe the hedge funds are keeping this price up right now. Otherwise, this should probably be dropping under $4 and eventually getting delisted from the stock exchanges. So at that point, I would just assume I lost my money, even though I technically would own those shares in the stocks or in the company. But we'll see what happens in the future. I expect something that happens Tuesday with the bankruptcy courts will probably affect this price by quite a bit. Whether it's good or bad, we shall see. I know a lot of people are belling on it, though, and rightfully so. GE is the other one I purchased. GE has been doing pretty well for me overall. It's been pretty flat this past week, I think. For the most part, I've seen it go up and down. Anyways, to the value of this portfolio, the No Rules portfolio is currently sitting at a value of $671.09 with $0 in cash. I've deposited an even $500, which means we are currently up by $171.09, or a whopping 34.22% gain. That is pretty awesome, considering I just started the portfolio on January 4th. So 34.22% gain. That's pretty good, pretty good. I don't know what else to say about that. We'll see what happens with PG&E. I could lose all of my money there, and I fully expect that to be a possibility. Currently, the value of PG&E is my position's value is $213. So, anyways, dividend-wise, we've earned none, we've gained none, we've been paid none, etc., etc., etc. So there's been no dividend changes whatsoever. As you know, I only have 4 positions in here right now anyway, which is just the VOO ETF, which is this S&P 500. I have the SOI portfolio stock, which I bought, and I wanted to get up to 100 shares, but it doesn't look like it's happening anytime soon. We'll see if they continue paying dividends and how they're doing, but I know right now they are improving quite a bit. GE's performed well for me. PG&E's performed extremely well for me so far, but we'll see what happens. Overall, I am in the green in all positions. SOI has done really well for me. I'm up 14.97% on that position, which is amazing. Anyways, we've invested nothing this week. There's been no dividend changes, so nothing's changed on it. With such a small amount invested, currently this portfolio is giving us $7.39 a year in dividends, or 62 cents a month, for an overall dividend return of 1.48%. But the capital gains on this is amazing right now. But that is the No Rules portfolio, guys. I hope you guys are all doing great. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.